So hello and welcome to level 2. Me getting a chance to play here has been a long time coming, as throughout the years I have heard nothing but love for this site and have been recommended it countless times when asking for CQB sites to try. This is in fact the third site I've travelled up north to play at, and honestly I can absolutely understand why people reckoned I should. For many, level 2 needs no introduction. They are very well established, have been around a while, and have everything you could need. I was rather pleased to find a well-built safe zone, shop, toilets that aren't shagged, and a game zone that features such a well-designed variety of combat environments, from dark and tight CQB mazes all the way up to a Nuketown recreation. Safe to say, I absolutely loved learning it all, with nothing but my trusty TM, HK45, and clothes that were comfortable but way too bright. I could only fit so much on the train after all. Nevertheless, as the video title says, I'd showed up to find out just why this site was so loved. And oh boy did I realise when I got in there.
Hey! Where was that? Whoa! Gun hit! Dead player! Moving across your axis. Hit! Hello!
Surprise!
Well, despite me not knowing the site, it did not take me long to like this place, although I really wish I had a rifle. It's relatively easy to see that so much care has been taken with this site, right down to the amazingly detailed game props that are fully interactive, to the traffic light system in the respawns that helps pace the fighting out. Every little thing has been considered here. The marshals seem pretty on it, like you would want them to be, and got us through our safety and game briefings nice and snappy. The site's tap-tap pause rule is something I have never actually seen at any other CQB site I've played at, and whilst it sounded silly to me at first, I can now actually see the appeal. This site is also a lot bigger than you would think too, and in that space they have thrown in as much variation as possible. The long-range fights of Nuketown.
I'm gonna go up the tower.
Nope.
Hello. Little bit target rich out there. 2 targets far. I ain't gonna manage this. I don't know. Did I fucking get him? Jesus.
The goofy chaos maze that is Village.
Whoa! Guys, I'm waiting. You ready? Ready to peek? Well, go on. Send it. That didn't work.
The crash site where sadly I didn't get to see that much fighting. Apart from spawn camping. The pillboxes and tunnels that were hell to deal with.
Hey! Oh. Oh, I think that got me, I think. Yeah, dead player.
And the jungle area, which saw me die probably the most out of anywhere on site.
Just shoot him.
Yeah, fuck it.
Shot. Whoa. Oh, hit. Oh, hit. Fuck!
They are certainly also not short for game modes. They have plenty of different ones to put you through. One of them being Hardpoint, where I really did get stuck in.
Let's do this. I need covering fire. That's ours, defend it. Oh, fucking hell, blue. They are making their way down here. I don't know. Whoa! 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 This is awkward. I'm gonna throw a frag down, and as soon as it goes off, just poke yourself out. You ready? Fuck! I got it. Oh, hello.
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 Alright, push up. Come on.
Sorry. Oh, no, okay, I'm not doing that no more. Ah, damn.
So there you go, that was level 2. My best assessment is that they've built the community they have by caring deeply about getting even the small bits right. A CQB site full of variety of themed combat areas with all sorts of well-designed modes to play in them, a clean safe zone and amenities, staff that do their job well and tech services alongside that, along with a well-established and well-followed rule set, with a player base that my first timer self felt very welcome around. Over the years they've been here, they've clearly taken the time to get the formula right and refine it. It was well worth the travel from my silly place in the south. This video is one of many like it on this site, but if you did watch, I hope you enjoyed. Until next time.
Oh, I think we got each other there. Oh, I could hear you stomping through, fuck. Hey! Oh, that got you in the arse. Oh, fuck, right there. That was a very inopportune time to jam. That was devastating, I must admit.
I told you that before.